Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my brand new After Effects tutorial. In this video I will show you how to turn a 2D image to 3D or 360 degree angle view. Okay, let's jump into Adobe After Effects. Yes, you want to add our image that you want to convert into 3D, then drag it down and prepare a composition. Okay, here is our image. Then go to here, right click, new, camera. The naming is not necessary, then hit OK. Then we want to go to effects and presets and search for CC environment. You can see under perspective environment. Apply this one into our image layer. Okay, perfect. Then you can see that our image is zoomed and not clearly. For making that, we want to play with lens distortion and horizontal pan. First we want to adjust our lens distortion. Here I am increasing our lens distortion to something like 200. So this is perfect. The key is only that you want to view the image, that's all. Then go to horizontal pan, then check a rough look on this increasing and decreasing. You can see that here is appearing. Here our 2D image is already converted into a 3D or 360 view angle. Okay. It's a very simple tutorial. Then just we want to adjust the timeline. Here I am going to in first seconds I adjust the horizontal pan to something increasing 120. I think 120 is better. Okay, this is our first frame. Then create a keyframe there. Then go to fourth seconds. Then adjust this one to something like, I think 74 is better. We can check a look what we are creating. Wow, it's amazing. We got a perfect output. For more accuracy, go to camera and go to transform and play with X rotation, Y rotation, etc. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I have a bunch of After Effects tutorials. Be sure to subscribe my channel. Hope you guys we can see in our next video. Goodbye.